Hey everyone, it's Tyler with Lowbrow Customs. I wanted to share a new product we're designing. It's something that I spend a lot of time doing at Lowbrow, is working on new product designs, and I wanted to share a bit of the method of how we do that. So we're working on a new grip design right now, and the way I usually start doing that would be a pencil sketch, just pen and paper, playing around until I find something that I like the look of. And then the next step would be using software such as SolidWorks to do, which is 3D CAD design software, to do a 3D model. And you can see this new grip design is fully modeled in 3D to scale. And what's really cool about that is we've got just an inexpensive Makerbot 3D printer at Lowbrow, and it allows us to print off prototypes pretty quickly out of plastic. And lets us come up with physical samples like this, and it's great. I find it extremely fulfilling to take an idea and sketch it on paper, draw it on the computer, and then end up having it here to hold in your hand and get the feel for it and see if you like it or not. So something we haven't done before is reaching out to everyone all over the world who may see this video and get input on product names. So this new grip, we can name it anything we want. It could be something cool, something based on perhaps the design, could be the use, how it feels. But we're looking to you guys to see what we should call this new grip design. Be great for Harley-Davidsons or any motorcycle with 1-inch bars. So if you've got an idea, go ahead and throw it in the comments below, and we will choose a winner. And if we do, we'll go ahead and send you this original prototype in the mail. So we would love to hear what you've got and any other input you have on our design. Thanks very much. And to check out what else we've got going on, go to lowbrowcustoms.com anytime. Thanks.